In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use conditional formatting in Smartsheet to automatically highlight important information and make your data easier to read. First, open the Smartsheet where you want to apply conditional formatting. Next, click on Conditional Formatting from the toolbar to open the Formatting Rules panel. Once the panel opens, select Add New Rule to create a formatting condition. Choose the column, row, or range where you want the rule to apply. Now define the condition that will trigger the formatting. For example, you might choose a rule where the status column equals complete or where a date is past due. After setting the condition, select the formatting style you want to apply. You can change the background color, text color, or font style such as bold or italics. Choose colors and styles that make important information easy to identify at a glance. Once your formatting options are selected, save the rule and apply it to the sheet. Smartsheet will automatically format matching cells whenever the specified condition is met. You can create multiple rules to highlight different types of information, such as overdue tasks, completed work, high priority items, or budget overruns. Review your sheet and test the rules to make sure the formatting appears exactly as expected. Conditional formatting helps improve visibility, reduces manual tracking, and makes project data easier to understand for everyone on your team. That's it, you've successfully learned how to use conditional formatting in Smartsheet. Thanks for watching.